Hi everyone, welcome back to One to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can delete reels on Facebook. So to get started, go ahead and open up your Facebook application and the Facebook homepage will look somewhat like this. So here we can see in my profile, I have uploaded some videos and posts and some reels. So what I can do is simply go ahead and tap on more and tap on reels. So these are the reels that I have uploaded on my Facebook. For instance, I want to delete it, then what I can do is simply tap on any of the reels. Now once you have selected the reels, what you have to do is simply tap on that three dots option and here different options will be available. You can save reel, pin to your reels, who can comment on this reel, download reel, edit audience and delete option. So what you can do is simply tap on delete and confirm the deletion. It will ask you the Instagram reels will be deleted from both application or you only want to delete it from Facebook, and confirm on what you want to do, and once it's done you are good to go. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.